Hi, today I'm reviewing Nokia C31 and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, let's first unlock our device and open the home screen. Just after that, press and hold for a while your home screen with the finger on the free space and then tap to the widgets icon. So here we will see all the available applications, what widgets we can add. You can see that the clock application has 5 different widgets. The Chrome 4 of them, the calendar 2 widgets. We can add the full month view, the schedule. Just to add the widget, we should just hold it and drag this to the home screen. If you wanna resize it, just hold for a while the widget. After that, you can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. To move it on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold the widget and drag it to the left or to the right side of the screen, and also we can create a new screen. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.